Hello, welcome to my video. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without a phone number or verification code. Say for instance, you want to own a Gmail but you don't want to use your phone number for the verification, then this is how you can go about it. First, you have to go to your Play Store. You click on the Play Store. Then at this top right hand corner where your account is, you click on it. Then this arrow at the end of your Google name, click on it, which will bring you to this interface. Then you come down and click on add account. You wait a second for it to open. Once it comes to this interface, don't put your phone number. Don't click here where they say put phone number. You come down here and click on create account. Then click on for myself. Click this for myself. Okay, then here you can add your name. So let's say I use this name, the best or best solution. Surname is optional, but you can put best solution. Then you click on next. When you put your name, you click on next. Then put your date of birth, 25. $1999. Gender, male. Click on next. Then here it said choose your Gmail address. So if you check here, you check which of them that best suit your name, or you can create your own name if you want. Okay, so solution best solution. Okay, let's say I choose this name, best. I choose this first one. Or if you don't like any of the name options they gave you here, you can click on this create your own mail. Then here you will write the name you want your Gmail to carry. So but if you want, you can choose any of the options they give you there. So I'll choose, or I'll write best solution 1. Go. This name has been taken. Let me use best solution 042. Best solution 042. Okay, that's available. Then here you have to choose password. So I'll choose password now. Add phone number. Here is saying you should add phone number to your email. Okay, you can skip this. You see, the email has been created. This is the email now. Then next, I agree. See, let me check the email account. This is it here, best solution 042. You see, that's the email. See, this is the email. It has been created, best solution. So from this you can create as many email as you wish. It is easy and it is simple. If you like what you just saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment the country where you're watching me from so that I will know the next video I'm going to create for you. All right, thank you guys. See you in my next video. God bless.